Hey lovies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Yasmina and I'm going to show you guys how I got this sleek middle part claw clip ponytail, curly ponytail. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all. If you want to know how to achieve this, keep watching. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to get into Yaz's sleek hair tools. These are the big three. I use edge control for my whole head. I use this brush. Any hard bristle brush will do because you gotta really get in. Yeah. I use water. For some reason, water is so good for my hair, like slicking it down. And I use a detangler, edge brush, toothbrush. I want to show you guys that I blew my hair out, and this is the blow dryer that I use. You can also achieve this on air dried hair, like stretched hair, which I will have a video for that in the future. I use Wild Grow as like my heat protector. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm getting right into it. I'm doing my middle part. I already sectioned my hair, like I did the back first. So you want to section your hair from the back. My main tip is section. Like work in sections. I don't care if it takes you hours. I don't care, because that's how you're really going to get it slick. Another tip, as y'all can see, like I'm like pulling my hair a little bit, like I'm trying to get it used to like laying down before I brush it. So I'm getting that product in, I'm starting at the root. So as y'all can see, like I'm brushing my hair out, like I'm not brushing it down yet or sleeking it down yet. I'm brushing it out so the product can get in my hair, like go throughout my hair. I suck at explaining, but you get it if you get it. Make sure y'all section your edges out, y'all baby hairs, whatever y'all want to call them. I usually section the most out and then I go back and fix it. Y'all see that? Slick, baby. Yep. As y'all can see, I broke that front section off too. Like I said, I do not play about section. I don't care how, I don't care. Section. I don't care. But I'm tired, as y'all can see. Oh yeah, I didn't add this into my tool list, but a comb, utilize that Reptile comb. Like that comb will do anything that the hard brush doesn't do. And it really helps slick your hair. So that comb is going to do one thing. Yeah. I'm showing y'all close up. Yeah. So me personally, I love a good defined middle part. So I'm going again, fixing my part, and yeah. I use clip-ins to achieve this style. I'm basically just clipping it around the ponytail that I made, and I put a claw clip. As y'all can see, I did not like the result. I put this in to show y'all that it does not always come out perfect, and just dust yourself up and try again. I was thinking like maybe the ponytail was like too thin or it's not enough hair, so I added another clip in. As y'all can see, it even turned out to be like kind of a cute half up half down style, but I really wanted to go for the ponytail, so that's what we did. Okay, this is when I started to feel like it was, you know, a little something something. I'm still not really happy with it, so I'm taking it out and I'm trying one more time, and I think after this is when I'm more satisfied with it. I want it to be messy, but I didn't want it to be too messy, so I feel like I kind of got it perfect. So now onto the edges, or whatever that's left of my edges. You know, I be getting stressed bald spots and they be bad. My edges be thinner. I don't know. I be going through a lot. I'm not gonna lie. But I make it work. So like I said before, I'm keeping all of this off because I want y'all to see that it's easy, but it's not easy, especially when you're a perfectionist. So this is just basically, you know, me trying to get the right edge. Like I'm still on one side of my head. Like I'm just, yeah. Okay, so we're finally at the end result. If you guys like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or any hairstyles y'all want to see me do. And bye. Thank you.